How to find recently used apps on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find recently used apps on Android phone. First thing, go to settings, and then you need to find this one, home screen and wallpaper, and go to home screen style. You need to make your phone standard, and not this one. Just make it like that, and now you can just go to your home screen and swipe like that, and here you will find the recently used apps, and then that's it. Just go back, just swipe like that and you will find it. And that's how to find recently used apps on Android phone, and that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.